Hello students, Jai Hind, Vande Matram. Once again welcome back to the class of Ravi sir, the easiest and finest way to learn the concepts of mathematics from standard 9 to 12th. Students, in our today video lesson of standard 9th mathematics chapter 4 linear equation with two variables, we are going to practice long type questions. Students, if you are new to this channel, just subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Okay students, let's start the topic. In very first question, in a countries like USA and Canada, temperature is measured in Fahrenheit, whereas in country like India, it is measured in Celsius. Here is a linear equation that convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. Students, countries like USA and Canada, USA और कनाडा में जो टेम्परेचर मेजर किया जाता है वो फ़ारेनहाइट में होता है, एंड कंट्री लाइक इंडिया, जो इंडिया के अंदर जो टेम्परेचर होता है उसको हम सेल्सियस से मेजर करते हैं. हियर इज़ अ लीनियर इक्वेशन दैट कन्वर्ट फ़ारेनहाइट टू सेल्सियस. यहाँ पे लीनियर इक्वेशन है जो टेम्परेचर को किस में कन्वर्ट करता है, सेल्सियस में, फ़ारेनहाइट से सेल्सियस में कन्वर्ट करता है. In this first question, what we have to do over here? Draw the graph of linear equation above using Celsius for x-axis and Fahrenheit for y-axis, right? In second question, if the temperature is 30 degree Celsius, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? अगर temperature 30 degree Celsius है तो Fahrenheit में उसकी वैल्यू क्या होगी? If the temperature is 95 degree Fahrenheit, अगर temperature Fahrenheit में है, सो व्हाट इज़ द टेम्परेचर ऑफ सेल्सियस, तो सेल्सियस में उसका टेम्परेचर क्या होगा, राइट स्टूडेंट्स? इज इट क्लियर द क्वेश्चन? क्वेश्चन में ये है कि यूएसए और कनाडा जैसे कंट्रियों में जो हीट का मेजर किया जाता है, टेम्परेचर मेजर किया जाता है, दैट इज़ इन फ़ारेनहाइट, जबकि इंडिया के अंदर जो टेम्परेचर मेजर किया जाता है दैट इज़ इन सेल्सियस. तो फ़ारेनहाइट को सेल्सियस में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए इक्वेशन है F इज़ इक्वल टू 9/5 into C plus 32. So on the basis of this above equation, आपको सेल्सियस को x एक्सिस पे रिप्रेजेंट करो और फ़ारेनहाइट को y एक्सिस पे रिप्रेजेंट करो एंड ग्राफ ड्रॉ करो, राइट? सो लेट अस स्टार्ट द वीडियो लेसन. सॉल्यूशन ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, हियर यू कैन सी दैट द इक्वेशन इज गिवन. द इक्वेशन इज व्हाट स्टूडेंट? F is equal to 9/5 C plus 32. So first of all we will write that F is equal to 9/5 into C, 9/5 into C plus 32, right? So first of all students, we will solve the first question. To draw the graph of the linear equation above using Celsius for x-axis. So x-axis के लिए suppose C is what? 0. So what about F? So putting the value of 0 in place of C, we are getting 0 plus 32 is equal to 32. Right students? This is the value of F. Similarly, consider C is equal to 5. So F is equal to 9/5 into 5 plus 32. So 5 will be cancelled out. So 9 plus 32 is equal to 41 degrees Celsius. Similarly, consider C is equal to 10. So F is equal to 9/5 into 10 plus 32. Right? So 10 will be cancelled by 5. So 9 into 2 plus 32. 9 into 2 student 18, right? So 18 plus 32, 18 plus 32 50, right? Now we can tabulate the values of C and F. Here we have to consider C on x-axis and Fahrenheit on y-axis, right? So value of C, for value of C is 0, right? The value of C is 0. What is the value of Fahrenheit? The value of Fahrenheit is 32. The value of C is 5 degree. the Fahrenheit will be 41. Value of C is 10, so Fahrenheit value is 50. Right, students? Now to plot the graph, we draw the vertical line and horizontal line. Right, the vertical line is x-axis and horizontal line is y-axis. Now on x-axis we will represent Celsius and on y-axis we will represent Fahrenheit. So we are taking the gap of 8 unit. Right, so first we will write 8, 16, 24, 32. Right, similarly on y-axis 8, 16, 32 Fahrenheit. Right, 24 after 32. Right, 32, right, and then 40, then 48. Right, and then 56. Right, okay. C is 0 and F is 32. So on x-axis the point will be on y-axis. Right, students? X-axis is 0, y is 32, so point will be on y-axis. Similarly, x is 5, y is 41. So x is 5. Right, it will be between 0 to 8. So 5 will be approximate over here, and moving toward F, it is just after 40, because Fahrenheit is 41, it will be just above 40. So the point will be here. So point will be what? 5 and 41. Right, student? Now C is 10 and F is 50. So this will be between 8 and 16, so approximately over here. So you can see that these points are collinear. So plotting the line over here, so this line represent what? 9 by 5 into C plus 32. Right, students? In this way you can plot the graph of the given equation which change into Fahrenheit to Celsius. Now the second question, if the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, means value of C is given. This is what? 30 degrees Celsius. What is the temperature in Fahrenheit? It means what we have to find out? Value of F. It is given that F is equal to 9 by 5, C is C plus 32. Now substituting the value of C, 9 by 5, value of C is 30 plus 32, right? So 30 will be cancelled by 5, 6 ja. So 9 into 6 plus 32, right? 9 into 6, 54 plus 32. So 54 plus 32 is equal to what? 86 degrees Celsius Fahrenheit. 86 degree Fahrenheit, right, students? In this way you can convert degree Celsius into Fahrenheit. Now moving to the C part of this question. If the temperature is in 95 Fahrenheit, means temperature is given but it is given in Fahrenheit. It means the value of F is given, right? What is given? The value of F. So F is equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. Now the value of F is 95, 9 by 5, C is unknown, plus 32. So 9 by 5 into C, 95 minus 32, because we want to find out C. So 9 by 5, C, 95 minus 32, student. So there will be 3 and here is a 6. So we want to find C. So C will be what? 63 into 5 by 9. So 63 will be cancelled by 9. 7 ja. 7 into 5, 35 degree Celsius. Right, students? So 95 degree Fahrenheit is equal to 35 degree Celsius. Right, students? Is it clear how to convert Fahrenheit into degree Celsius and how to convert degree Celsius into Fahrenheit? Okay, students, now moving to the next question. The linear equations that convert Fahrenheit 32 Celsius is given, C is equal to 9F minus 160 by 9, right? If the temperature is 86 Fahrenheit, what is the temperature in Celsius? Second question, B part. If the temperature is in 35 degrees Celsius, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? C. If the temperature is 0 degrees Celsius, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? And if the temperature is 0 degree Fahrenheit, so what is the temperature in Celsius? And D. What is the numeric value of temperature which is same in the both scale? Right, students? Here this is the same question, students, just the previous equation is simplified in the form of formula, right? So here has been the solution of first question. If the temperature is 86 degrees Celsius, means the value of F is given, we will find out the value of C. So C is equal to 5F minus 160 by 9. So putting the value of F over here, so 5 into 86 minus 160 divided by 9. So C is equal to 5 into 86, there will be 430 minus 160 by 9. So minus 430 minus 160, 270 by 9. So C is equal to 30 degrees Celsius. Right? Similarly for question B, if the temperature is 35 degrees Celsius, so what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? So we can formulate the above equation, C is equal to 5F minus 160 by 9 in the form of F, right? And we can put the values to get the answer. And in C, if the temperature is 0 degrees Celsius, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? And if the temperature in 0 Fahrenheit, what is the temperature in Celsius? Okay students, here is when C is given, so we will put the value of C over here. So we are getting F is equal to 32, right? And if therefore C is equal to 0, then F is 32, right? Now if F is 0, so what about C? So putting F is 0, we know that the previous equation F is equal to 9 by 5 into C plus 32. Putting F is 0, so we are getting 9 by 5 into C minus 32. So C is equal to minus 32 into 5 divided by 9. So C is equal to minus 17.8 degrees Celsius. Therefore we can say that if Fahrenheit is 0 degree, then the temperature in Celsius will be minus 70.8 degrees Celsius. And in C, if value of Fahrenheit and value of degree Celsius are equal, means suppose F is equal to X and C is equal to X, so we can substitute these values in the equation. C is equal to 5F minus 160 by 9. So in place of C and in place of F, we are putting X over here. So we are getting X is equal to 5X minus 160 divided by 9. So 9 is to be multiplied by X. So 9X is equal to 5X minus 160. So 4X is equal to minus 160. So X is equal to minus 160 divided by 4 means minus 40. So F is equal to minus 40 degrees Celsius and C is also minus 40 degrees Celsius, because students, here it is been given that the value of Fahrenheit and the value of degrees Celsius are equal. That's why the value of F and the value of C will be equal. Yes, there is a temperature is minus 40 degree, which is numerically the same in the both Fahrenheit and Celsius. Right students? Now moving to the next question. Question number 3. If the temperature of liquid can be measured in Kelvin unit. अगर हम किसी लिक्विड है और उसका जो टेम्परेचर हम केल्विन में मेजर करते हैं एज x डिग्री केल्विन, आर इन फ़ारेनहाइट यूनिट एज y डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट, या फिर फ़ारेनहाइट में y डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट. द रिलेशन बिटवीन द टू सिस्टम ऑफ मेजरमेंट ऑफ टेम्परेचर between two system of measurement temperature is given. तो मीन्स फ़ारेनहाइट और केल्विन के बीच में क्या रिलेशनशिप होता है, इट इज़ गिवन. व्हाट इज़ द रिलेशन? y इज इक्वल टू 9 by 5 x माइनस 273 प्लस 32. मीन्स स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे आप केल्विन टेम्परेचर को फ़ारेनहाइट में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं और फ़ारेनहाइट को केल्विन में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं यूजिंग दिस फॉर्मूला. सो व्हाट वी वांट टू फाइंड आउट, फाइंड द टेम्परेचर ऑफ लिक्विड इन फ़ारेनहाइट इफ़ द टेम्परेचर ऑफ लिक्विड इज़ 330 केल्विन. अगर लिक्विड का टेम्परेचर 313 केल्विन है तो उसकी फ़ारेनहाइट वैल्यू क्या होगी. एंड इन सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, इफ़ द टेम्परेचर इज़ 158 फ़ारेनहाइट, अगर टेम्परेचर में F की वैल्यू 158 फ़ारेनहाइट है, सो व्हाट इज़ द वैल्यू ऑफ केल्विन, तो उसकी केल्विन वैल्यू क्या होगी. नाउ लेट अस सी द सॉल्यूशन. हियर इट इज़ बीन गिवन दैट what is given, y is equal to 9 by 5 x minus 273 plus 32, right. So in very first question, temperature of liquid in Fahrenheit, if the temperature of liquid is 313 Kelvin, means Kelvin value is given, Kelvin in temperature is given, means value of K is given, value of K here we have considered x, so x is equal to 313 Kelvin. So we can find out y by applying the formula 9 by 5 x minus 273 plus 32, right. So 9 by 5, value of x is 313 Kelvin minus 273 plus 32, right. So 9 by 5, so subtracting over here, so we are getting 40 plus 32, 40 will be cancelled by 5, right. So we are getting 9 into 8 plus 32, so 9 8s are 72 plus 32, so we are getting 104 degree Fahrenheit. So the value of Fahrenheit is 104 Fahrenheit. Okay students, in this way you can change the Kelvin temperature into Fahrenheit by applying this equation. Now let us see the solution of B part. If the temperature is 158 Fahrenheit, means students here is been the value of y is given, because here it is been given that y degree in Fahrenheit, so the value of y is 158 degree Fahrenheit. We want to find out temperature in Kelvin, so here is been the equation given, y is equal to 9 by 5 x minus 273 plus 32, right, plus 32. So y is 158, 9 by 5, the value of x is unknown, so x minus 273 plus 32, right. So we can simplify these things, so we can write what, 9 by 32 will be moved towards 158, right. So otherwise here we can take the LCM as a 5 by doing the cross multiplication. We are getting 9x minus 273 plus 32 into 5, so 5 is to multiplied by 158, so we are getting 9x minus 273 32 into 5 plus 32 into 5 160, so 158 we can write 9 minus x minus 273 is equal to 158 into 5 students, 790 minus 160, so 9x minus 273 is equal to, so 790 minus 160 will be what, 0, and 630 what, so the value of x minus 273 is 630 divided by 9, 70, so value of x is equal to 70 plus 273, so we can write x is equal to 243 Kelvin. Now students, the next question, check which of the following solution of equation x minus 2y is equal to 4, which are not. Okay students, here has been the solutions are given, just we have to put the values of x and y in the equation x minus 2y, and we can check that the LHS and RHS are equal or not. So first what we will do, in very first question we will consider A 0 and 2, right students, 0 and 2. It means students, here when the value of x and y is given, so the given equation x minus 2y is equal to 4, value of x is 0 and the value of y is 2. Now considering LHS, x minus 2y, now substituting the value of x and y over here, so 0 minus 2 into 2, we are getting minus 4, but RHS side is plus 4 and we are getting minus 4. So LHS and RHS are not equal, right students? LHS value and RHS value are not equal, so 0 and 2 is not the solution of the given equation. Now this time 2 and 0. Consider the given here has been the given equation x minus 2y is equal to 4. The value of x is 2 and the value of y is 0, right student? So considering LHS, x minus 2y, what, x minus 2y, so putting the value of x and y over here, we are getting 2. Again LHS and RHS are not equal, it means 2 and 0 are not the solution of the given equation. In C, 4 0, right? What is given? X minus 2y is equal to 4, right? The value of x is 4 and the value of y is 0. Now considering LHS term, x minus 2y, now putting the value of x and y over here, 4 minus 2 into 0 means we are getting 4. So LHS is equal to RHS. It means 4 and 0 is the solution of given equation. What is 4 and 0 is the solution of given equation. Okay, so moving to the next question. This time D is equal to D. In D the coordinate are root 2 comma 4 root 2, root 2 and 4 root 2. X is root 2 and y is 4 root 2, right? Now LHS is equal to x minus 2y. Now substituting the value of x and y over here, the value of x is root 2 and the value of y is 4 root 2, right? So let us write over here, x is root 2 and 2 into 4 root 2. So we are getting root 2 minus 8 times root 2, so we are getting minus 7 times root 2. So this is not equal to RHS, so LHS is equal to does not is equal to RHS. It means the above point is not the solution of x minus 2y is equal to 4, right? Now E, in E the coordinates are 1 and 1. The coordinate points are 1 and 1, means value of x is 1 and the value of y is 1. Now LHS, x minus 2y, the value of x is 1, value of y is 1, so we are getting 1 minus 2, so minus 1. So 1 LHS does not is equal to RHS, because in RHS we required 4. So 1 and 1 is not the solution of given equation. Okay students, here we are completing today video lesson. I hope you have understood. For more video lesson, keep watching your channel Ravi Sir Ji Maths. Thank you once again students for watching this video till the end.